Hey friends, if you wish to start or stop Windows Media Player network sharing service in Windows, then please watch this video. Here's the thing. A lot of users have a problem that Windows Media Player consumes a lot of system resources. To prevent that, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows Media Player service. Yeah, here it is. Media Player Network Sharing Service. Right click on it, select Properties, change it to manual, which it should be. It should not be at automatic, and then click on Apply and OK. Now, unless you are specifically using Media Player, it will not trigger any process. And if you are using Media Player and it's triggering a lot of processes, then search for Task Manager and open it, and then wait for it to load. And then right click on Media Player and select End Task. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.